Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo homepage back to classic. So around 2 months back, Yahoo rolled a new version or the new page for their website, that is yahoo.com, the interface of which you can see it over here. Now, when it was rolled out, in the bottom right hand corner, you had the option of back to the classic view, but now if you scroll down a bit, you won't be able to see that option over here. Even if you are on finance.yahoo.com, so even if you just go at finance.yahoo.com, you won't be able to find that option, unfortunately. So what you can do is you can simply try to add this URL that I will put in down in the description. So this command will look something like this. So you need to simply just paste it over here and press enter. Now in some of the countries it will work for you and it will change the layout or the home of the home page to the classic view, but in some country like mine it is not working. So you can just try this option. The second thing that you can do is you can simply seek help from the Yahoo Finance customer service. You can just tell them that you want the classic view especially for your account, so they can exclusively provide the classic view for you. So you can try that method as well. So if this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.